Actually, we need to get the different problem because this is a very small problem. It is giving the actually whatever we calculated is the lowest distance. So it is giving a same answer.
Sir, for me, I'm getting an error. Like constraint must be a number, cell, simple reference or formula.
Yeah, you have to select 1, 2, 3, 4 only.
I mean, how do I rectify that?
1 second.
Sir, mine is showing the maximum time limit was reached. Continue anyway, question mark. What should I do?
Stop.
Sir, then okay, sir. Because
Okay.
it is the keep solver solution.
Yeah, keep solver solution.
Sir, where do we see the results?
Same, if the number didn't change means that is the optimal solution.
Okay, sir. So you mean the total distance, sir?
Yeah, that was the lowest we found in the last class.
Yes, sir.
I think where is that India state distance here? Distance between and states in India. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Convert PDF table to Excel online. Okay, let me add a sheet here. So I'll just share the sheet with you guys.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, the last problem that we did, was it completed?
See, it is completed because we got the 12,018 as the lowest distance, right?
Yes, sir, but when I'm using solver, no, when I'm selecting D11 to D14, it is giving me an error. Like constraint must be a number.
So you have to select only 1, 2, 3, 4, not the fourth. Last one you do. One you should not select again.
Sir, I have not selected one.
Okay, wait for it. I'll sort it out. First, let's work on this sheet and then we'll work on the other sheet. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, have you uploaded the data?
No, I have not uploaded. 1 second. Let me just close everything and then upload. Yeah, I have uploaded. All of you download it. Okay, all of you got this?
Yes, sir.
So all the distances are from each city, right? There is a matrix of distances between the different cities. Now, all of you go to the first column. I insert a column. Insert a column before the state city names, and then give 1, 2, 3. Give a serial number to the names. Till Visakhapatnam. Okay. Step 1, all of you insert numbers for the state. Done? All of you are done with this step? Can participants confirm you are done with this step?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Now we will set the columns in the bottom. State, sorry, city. City, and we allocate a number to the city. and stops. Okay, distance and stops. And then we will add 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Select these 3 numbers, drag till 47. Till 47, drag it. Stops also, copy paste the same values, Control C in stops.
Done,
Okay,
sir.
have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, go to the city, we will do a VLOOKUP. Is equal to VLOOKUP, vertical lookup, open bracket. We will look up for the city number, comma, and we will take the 2 columns, the city number and the city name. City number and city name. You fix the cells by pressing F4, comma. What we want here, we want the data from column 2. Column 1 is city number. Column index number we want is 2 because we want the name. So column index number 1 is the number. Column index number 2 is the name of the city. So we give column index number 2, comma. We want an exact match. We want an exact match. Press enter. So city 1 is Agartala. So this is the code. In VLOOKUP, first we have to give the lookup value. We have to go to give the lookup value, which is the number of the city, comma. You take the 2 columns where you have the city number and city name, comma. We have to give the column index number. Column index number means we want what? We want the city name. City names are in the second column of our index table. So we have given comma 2, comma false. False means we want an exact match. So now if you double click this, it will fill all the city names till end. It will automatically fill the city name till end. This is the VLOOKUP formula which you need to input. Got it? All of you got the VLOOKUP?
Can you all please wait for a minute?
Yeah, guys, you got your VLOOKUP. Can you confirm?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to start point from where? Shall we do it from Hyderabad to Hyderabad? Okay. So we will do from Hyderabad to Hyderabad. So 20 is Hyderabad. You just type 20 number here. It will automatically read it as Hyderabad. After Visakhapatnam 47, type 20. It will automatically read it as Hyderabad. Got it, all of you? You put the number, it will give you the city.
Yes, sir.
Now, we will go to find the distances between the cities. We will find the distances between the cities is equal to index. Index column, open bracket. What is the first? We have to select the array. Select all the data array, complete data array. Select the complete data array and fix it by pressing F4, comma, 2, comma, 1, F2, comma, F1. So from the array, we are trying to find the distance between Agra and Agartala. Agra and Agartala, the distance is 878. So let us see what is the difference between Agra and Agartala. Yeah. Oh. The names are different here. But we have 47 columns, right? Yeah, shit.
No, sir, we have 20 columns.
Yeah, that is a problem. So this data should have been city to city data we need. Because it is calculating the distance wrong, right? Agra to Agartala is a very large distance. So what we will do is, we will make some changes to this thing. We don't have Agra, right? We don't have Agartala first.
No, sir.
Right. So we
No,
will
sir.
delete
No, sir.
Agartala column. Then we don't have Agra also. We delete the Agra column. Then we have Ahmedabad to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad to Bangalore. Then we don't have Allahabad. Delete. We don't have Amritsar. Delete. We don't have Asansol. Delete. Then we have Bangalore to Bangalore. Then we don't have data Bhopal, Baroda, Bhubaneswar. No, Bhubaneswar is there, right? So Baroda and Bhopal we will delete. And then we have Bhubaneswar, Bombay, Calcutta. We don't have Calicut, so we will delete. We'll have Chandigarh. We have Cochin. We don't have Coimbatore, then we delete it. Then Delhi is there. Gwalior, Hubli is not there. Delete. Hyderabad is there. Then we have Indore. We don't have Imphal. Delete. Then we don't have Jabalpur. We have Jaipur. Delete. Then we have Kanpur. So there is no Jamshedpur and Jalandhar. Delete. Then after Kanpur, we don't have Kolhapur. We will delete. We will get Lucknow. Then Ludhiana, we will delete. Then Madras we have. Madras we don't have. After Madras, it is Nagpur, Nasik. So Madurai, Meerut, we will delete. Then we have Nagpur, Nasik. Then after Nagpur, Nasik, we have Panjim, Pondicherry, Pune. Panjim, there is no Patna here. Pondicherry, Pune. And rest of all we can delete. Visakhapatnam, till Visakhapatnam, we will delete. Delete. Okay. Yeah. And we'll also clear this number. Okay, all of you have do the changes like this?
Sir, could you please upload this sheet?
1 second, we have a mismatch. Ahmedabad to Ahmedabad, Bangalore to Bangalore, Bhubaneswar to Bhubaneswar, Bombay to Bombay, Calcutta to Calcutta, Chandigarh to Chandigarh, Cochin to Cochin, Delhi to Delhi. We are missing something here.
So Delhi to Delhi is fine, sir, I think.
Delhi to Delhi is fine. Hyderabad to Hyderabad. Oh, okay, okay. It's fine, right?
Yes, sir.
To Hyderabad, Indore to Indore, Jaipur to Jaipur. Right, it's right only, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. I'll upload the latest file in chat folder. Replace. Yeah, replace the file. You can take it from there. And then add the new numbers 1, 2, 3, and select the 3 cells and drag. Fill Pune. So 19 are there, right? Count is coming 20. Wow. What is this? We have some mismatch happening somewhere. Lucknow. Madras. Nagpur. Nasik to Nasik is right. Panjim to Panjim. Oh, I skipped. I unnecessarily deleted Patna. Yeah. Patna is also there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Patna is there, sir.
Shit.
Sir, I have updated the Excel sheet. Shall I send it in the file section?
Upload it in the files folder, no, please.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This Patna is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Patna is there, sir.
So the file name is same, so it got replaced.
Okay. It got replaced,
By
right?
yeah, by my name. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, you can refresh, then you will be able to see.
Here is the refresh here. Yeah, submit it, right?
Yes, sir.
Where is the download button? Download it? Yes. So you have 20, right?
Yes, sir.
So 20, then we will do the VLOOKUP. This is the VLOOKUP command. So you have done it for very long. So we will do the VLOOKUP again. So is equal to we look up number one, comma, the table array, select the complete data table, okay, table array, then we will have F4 to fit the cell, comma, then we will select E25, comma, E24. Sorry. It's not E25. This column index number is 2. We want the data from column index 2 and then we want the exact match. Close bracket, enter. Whoa, what happened? I selected the wrong table array. Sometimes I make some silly mistakes. You have to select only these two. F4, comma 2, comma false. You got the data. So double click, it will select all the data points. So we will want the data for Hyderabad, which is 9. Where the VLOOKUP is not working. Okay. All of you got the VLOOKUP done? Now we will do the distance index. Is equal to index, open bracket, the array, index array, fix it,
Sir, can you
F4.
please give us?
Sorry. What? Is
Sir, can you
equal
please give us 2 minutes? We just need to check the data. There's error in our data. So can you click on Ahmedabad? We need to see the formula for the VLOOKUP.
there is some mistake happening here. 517 is Jaipur to Kanpur. Jaipur to Kanpur is turning, yeah, okay. Kanpur to Lucknow. Yeah, tell me what you want. Can you be specific?
So we need to see the VLOOKUP formula again.
Index, huh?
Yes, no, the VLOOKUP under the city.
Look up this. This is the VLOOKUP.
Yes, I got it, sir. Done.
Done? Yeah. Now this is the distance formula using the index.
Done, sir.
Done? Now we need to find the distance from Hyderabad to Hyderabad going through all the cities. Okay. So let us say I want to find for Hyderabad. So check for Hyderabad. So what is the number of Hyderabad? Hyderabad is 9, right? Hyderabad is city 9. Okay. And then we'll input the if function. If I-25 is equal to the first city, comma 1, comma 0. Value of true is 1, value of false is 0. If statement, logical test is the number of Hyderabad city equal to the starting number? If it is same, 1, otherwise 0. So you can see here it became 0 because the starting city is Ahmedabad, not Hyderabad. We have equated the cell to 0. Sorry, using the formula, we are trying to find the value.
So in the city number distance stops table, the last distance Pune, it was 0. So what did you do for the what did we take for the next city?
Pune will be 0.
Yes, sir. And
Well,
we take any random city, sir. So do we take Hyderabad or any random city?
Pune only. You drag the format till Pune only.
Yes, sir. Okay, then we add Hyderabad again. Okay.
No. See, to check for Hyderabad, we are just putting it. This is completely irrelevant cell. Okay. To avoid the value, I am doing it. That's all.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Even if we don't give this, why it is giving us till this point? So E25 and E24, right? So it should give till here.
So the last value is being calculated by the Hyderabad city.
Not giving the correct value. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Starting point is Hyderabad, right? Now the total distance. Let us do the total distance. Total distance as of now is equal to sum of the distances. Close bracket, enter. So the total distance now is 27,137 kilometers. This is sum of the distance column. This is the sum of the distance column. Then we will go to data tab, solver, minimize, set object to cell is this, minimize by changing the cell. By changing the cells. So cells are your 1, 2, 3, 4. By changing the cells, these cells. Till 20, don't select Hyderabad. By changing the cell till Hyderabad, sorry, no, don't take Hyderabad, till Pune. Then we'll add the constraint, cell references. Again, select the cell city numbers 1 till 20, comma. Here you have to select diff, all different. Add. Then you go to the cell, which is this. J25 must be equal to 1. Click OK.
Sir, can you
So
repeat?
the constraints, by changing the variable cells, you have to go to the city numbers, the numbers which you have incorporated, and they should all be different. The last option, click on the not equal to cell, you will see the last option is this, is equal to all different. Then add the next constraint, which is the check Hyderabad next to line, you have 0, where you have inputted the if statement. Take the cell and make it equal to 1. Manually input 1 equal to 1. Then solving method is evolutionary method. In option, give time as 30 seconds. Click OK and solve.
So do we have to do evolutionary in this also?
Yeah. That is faster than
Evolutionary and 30 seconds.
30 seconds is the time limit.
Sir, can you take my AnyDesk number? Sir, actually, when I'm when I'm adding the constraint, right, it is telling me that the constraint should have formula.
Yeah, constraint should have formula. Yeah. So one second.
So,
I'll check. See, the city numbers have changed. So from Hyderabad, he should travel to Pune, Pune to Bombay, Bombay to Nasik, Nasik to Panjim, Panjim to Bangalore, Bangalore to Cochin. This is the order. And he can reach the Hyderabad back from Nagpur to Hyderabad. Total distance travel is 9,356. Now give me your
sir, 620, that one.
One second. Let me just go to downloads. This one, I need it. 6201, right? 620. Yeah. Accept. Hey, you have to move from your campus Wi-Fi to your own Wi-Fi app. Okay? Yes. Hello? You are there?
Sir, I'm there, sir. I'll just connect.
Just change your Wi-Fi. Just change your Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir. Connected. Sir, can you retry
one?
Pardon?
Can you retry once?
Oh, yeah, I connected. Yes, I need a connection request.
So you have the access. Traveling salesman, yeah.
This VLOOKUP is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
This is also correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If J25 is equal to E24 1, 0. This is also correct. Okay. So this is a format. Yes, please.
Sir, my city names also changed.
1 second. Let me solve this issue first. I'll come to your place. Minimize by changing the number till 20, comma, add constraint, cell difference, Again, select these numbers. Correct. Till here, till 20. This not equal to is different. Add. Then select the cell 0. Then constant should be equal to input manually 1. Okay. And then change the GRT linear to evolutionary
Option.
is 30 seconds and then click OK. Solve. Done. It is solving. Your problem is solved. Yes, somebody else is asking something. Please ask the doubt one more time, please.
Yes, sir. So my first city it's showing is Hyderabad. So sir,
Same
the
is
value
for
the
me,
city,
sir.
city order has changed, sir, completely.
Pardon?
The city orders have changed.
What is the total distance you got?
Sir, I got 9438.
That's what. There will be difference. There will be slight difference will be there. Because there is a random generator in the evolutionary solver. There is a random generator. There will be slight difference. So if you look
Alright,
at the evolutionary solver, so if you are looking at which solver to use where, see, DRG nonlinear are best for nonlinear problems, while simplex is a linear programming strategy. Now we can't use linear programming simplex here because our problem is not a linear problem, right? It is a non-linear problem. Distances are linear or non-linear?
Non-linear, sir.
They are non-linear, right? Distances are non-linear. They are not straight lines. Agreed?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes.
DRG non-linear or evaluationary. So evaluationary solver performs better than the GRG non-linear. Okay. So GRG non-linear also is a good option, but evaluationary is more robust than GRG non-linear because this is find a globally optimum solution. Despite it being slow, it finds the strength. So it starts with a random population of sets or input values. When you have random population of sets of input, your random and my random will change, right? Because we are not setting the seed here. If you set the seed, if you and me are setting the seed as common, then we'll get the common thing, right? We are not setting the seed here. You know, right? Setting the seed is very important in random numbers if you want the uniform solution. Here we are not setting the seed, so you will get a different solution, I will get a different solution. Got it? Why we are getting different solution, participants?
Sir, I have a question over here.
Yes, please go ahead.
Because the solution is random and we are putting a time limit of 30 seconds. If we let the solver solve the entire solution, should we get the same answer eventually?
No, you will not get. If you increase the time, your solving thing might reduce or may increase. You can try. Next session we will try. Okay.
Sir, actually, I am getting a total distance of 8,749.
Yeah, I told you. Random input is there. It will change. When you have random thing, it will change. That's what I am telling you. If I solve it again, let us see, my number also should change because there is a random cell input is there. So increment is 8,790. Objective cell is 8749. See, my objective cell already changed it to 8749. I ran the solution second time. See, change it to 8749. So when you have these random
Now
things,
it's same, sir.
is equal to rand. You have a function called rand, right, in Excel. So if I press this
Yes,
cell
sir.
again, it will keep what you call F9. Huh? I pressed F9, not F9. What should I press? F4. Huh? No, function plus F9. See, the moment I keep on clicking, the number is changing, right? This is called random
Yes, sir.
number generator. It will run between 0 and 1 only. You can give the random value generator. See, every time I click the cell F9, function plus F9 or F9, it will change. So we don't have control on this. So if you run it multiple times, you will get the best solution distance here. Evolutionary solvers. So optimum solution changes. Now it changed to 8749. Now you understood why? Because of the random generator.
Understood, sir. So, sir,
Got it?
finally, what do we conclude over here that 8749 is the shortest distance
If
we
you
have to
want
travel?
to go to the shortest route, he should travel from Hyderabad to Nagpur, Nagpur to Bhubaneswar, Bhubaneswar to Calcutta, Calcutta to Patna, Patna to Lucknow, Lucknow to Kanpur, Kanpur to Chandigarh, Chandigarh to Delhi, Delhi to Jaipur, Jaipur to Indore, Indore to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad to Nasik, Nasik to Bombay, Bombay to Pune, Pune to Panjim, Panjim to Bangalore, Bangalore to Cochin, Cochin to Pondicherry, Pondicherry to Madras, and Madras to Hyderabad. This is the route he has to take. If he wants to complete all the cities and reach the distance in the shortest possible time.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, please go ahead.
When we give the details in the solver, that time we will not select for Hyderabad, right? The last one.
We have given n is equal to one constraint, right? What does that one constraint mean?
No,
What
I
is
mean, when we are selecting E24 to E43, that time we are not selecting that Hyderabad cell, right?
Hyderabad you should not select.
And also for changing variable cells, that also will not select.
Not select the last Hyderabad.
Okay, so we will get different values actually, as you said.
Not select last Hyderabad.
Sir, I'm not getting, sir. Can you repeat?
When you are selecting the data, don't select the last city of Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to select till here only. Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. So we have different solutions, sir.
Yes, we will have different solution because we are using random generator. I think we can set the seed. In option, show iteration return, solving with integer constraint, one iteration, evolutionary iterating, max subproblems, max feasible solutions. So constraint precision 0.01. Evolutionary convergence mutation rate. Yes. See, random seed is 0. I think if we set random seed as 1 or 5 or something, then we will all get the same value. We'll try this after the lunch. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Then
sir.
we should all get the same answer. We will do a different distance matrix and do it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this evolutionary is a non-linear solving method. Because distances are not straight line, right? Distances are cities to cities are non-linear. That is why we are using a non-linear evolutionary. Evolutionary is best compared to GRG non-linear. So that is why we are using the evolutionary thing. The only problem with evolutionary thing is it uses random. You have to set the seed. So here, see. The offspring of mutation of the best input values from the first population. The second population is then evaluated and when it is chosen to create the third population. So you can run it multiple times and then you will find the best solution until you find a smaller change in the objective function. Okay? So you have to run it multiple times, then only you will get the correct solution. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Hey, we have not done any evaluations, right, till now?
No, sir.
How many we have to do? 3, huh? This is a
Yes,
2
sir.
credit course, right?
Yes, sir.
2 credit course. What should we do? We will have an exam, and then we will have a case study. Yeah. And then we'll go for the end term. So I have to work on a case study for operations analytics.